Hi Sagittarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 24th of August till 30th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. All right, so let's see what are the messages for my Sagittarius for the coming week from 24th to 30th of August, please. As you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, let's see now. 3 shuffles, please. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so at the back of the deck it's the 5 of Cups. Okay, so this is some kind of, where you feel that you could do something but you cannot. That kind of a feeling where you really like to live in the past. That is this card with the 5 of Cups. You love to be in the past situation. You want to cry about the past things which happened to you, but you forget that there are so many cups behind that, but you are just crying over the spilled milk. So it's like that energy. Okay, so your present and past energies are 6 of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles and 6 of Rods. Okay, so this is something, for someone. I'm seeing that, I don't know for whom it is, but someone is receiving a scholarship for a good institute or college where you actually wanted to go to that college, and you actually feeling victorious to receive that scholarship. So for might be 1 or 2, but other than that, these energies are also telling me that where you actually where you are actually applying effort. So this is that energy where you really love success. I know that. Okay, so 6 of Wands, your energy it is. I know you want to be successful, but the things actually came towards you very slowly. So this is that energy. If this is regarding your love life or your career life, your work life, it's like that it is coming. Or for some of you might even have got a promotion as well. So this is a very slow progress, but you received it, but it took a lot of time to come towards you. That is that thing. Your present energies are 7 of Rods, Queen of Pentacles and Knight of Cups. So this is that energy where now you are actually, you are basically, when you have got that opportunity. See, with the 6 of Rods accompanied by 7 of Rods, it's like you got that position and now you're fighting for the position, because the people around you are not happy, they're jealous. That is why, because you have become the Queen of Pentacles now. So when you actually achieve the success, so they do not see how much hard work you have done, how much struggles you have done to attain this position. So that is why, and now they are fighting with you that how could you, how this person got this thing and we didn't get. So this is that kind of a jealous factor, envy factor I'm seeing, because you have grown something, to someone really beautiful and someone really who is like something different from the past energies. And I'm seeing that it's not you who is actually crying, it's the other person or other people around you who are crying that this person was someone. Yeah, so they regret to lose you now. Okay, so the Wheel of Fortune, 3 of Rods and King of Swords in the future energies. Your wheel is turning to something more beautiful. So be ready for the changes, my Sag. Be ready for it. Okay, so let's see why the 5 of Cups is here in your past energies. Page of Rods. Okay. A lot of cards are these. I'm not taking it. What else do we have for the Five of Cups with the Page of Rods? Queen of Cups. Yeah. You were this. You were the Queen of Wands. Sorry, Queen of Cups. And the other person, well, you are the Sagittarius. Well, this had to be you. But I'm not sensing that it's you. I'm sensing that you might be even having a Cancer sign, like your moon sign or something. Other sign in your chart. But, I'm seeing that when you were emotional, when you were actually giving your energies to someone, because you were so much into your work, when you do not express a lot of your feelings, you just feel that thing, and you just like, okay, so it's like a feeling that where you have proposed someone, but you proposed a page. A page is just someone who really needs to be more mature in his or her life. So you were mature, you were the Queen of Cups, and the other person was the Page of Wands. So where it's just the small spark which might have attracted you, and that person might have said no to you, and you have become, from the Queen of Cups, you have become the Queen of Pentacles now. So the other person is regretting, like, why did I leave this person? Why did I left the opportunity? So it's like the opportunities were lost, but not for you, for someone else in your life. Let's clarify Page of Pentacles here. Why the Page of Pentacles is here in your past energies? Ace of Rods and Six of Swords. Okay, so you were slow, but your progress was not it was not breaking. You were slow but steady. With the Six of Swords as well, you were slowly, you were moving on, because when the Six of Swords is here, with the how this person is sailing on a boat and he is moving towards another part of the country or somewhere else. So there's something where you are applying efforts, while sailing. This person is applying efforts. So that is what I'm seeing. So there were a lot of efforts from your side, and you had that passion, you had that will to work. So that is why I'm seeing that success which you actually received in your past. That is the reason you received it. Otherwise, because you were very steady. You were not negative in any scenario, though you had a lot of ups and downs in your life, but you were not negative at any point. Okay, so let's see now your present energies, because your past energies I don't need to clarify more. You basically, at the end, all is well that ends well. So at the end, what actually happened, you got the success. So whatever happened, it is you who actually know the real struggle which you actually were taking to achieve this Six of Rods. Let's see why the Seven of Rods is here. The Hierophant. Alright, so I'm getting this energy where you are fighting for yourself, and you are so, this fight is not basically that kind of a fight. This fight is more of a logical fight, where you really know you don't need to argue with anyone, because with the Hierophant, this is someone who is very like a counselor, who knows what to talk about, who can use the words very sensibly. So that is what you are fighting for, your own self, but you are really sensing the situation first, then you are arguing with the person, because you have become very mature, Sag. I'm seeing that you have become the with this Queen of Pentacles. This might be a Capricorn, but I really feel that it's you. You are now in that beautiful mode, that charming, loving mode, where you are happy wherever you are. So there's no need to argue with anyone. So whatever is happening, see, people, that people are getting jealous, people are regretting that you have come so far now. You have become this CEO, whatever, manager or assistant manager, whatever in your life, and people are regretting for that they they lost a good friend, or they lost a good person from their life. So this can be anyone. It does not has to be someone of a love relationship. This can be anyone, you know. Let's clarify this Knight of Cups. 8 of Cups. See, this is you. I'm saying that, you know, where you are not ready to accept the bad emotions in your life. You are leaving from the bad situations and you are moving towards something, because you are moving towards the 9 of Cups, because you have left the 8 of Cups, because 8 of Cups doesn't suit you good, and you are moving towards 9 of Cups, which is the wish fulfillment. Let's see the Wheel of Fortune in your future energies. Ace of Cups. See how beautiful this is, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So I just said 9 of Cups. So this is the Ace of Cups, which actually is coming towards you, you know. A lot is changing in your future energies. Basically, you know, this is not something which I'm saying. This is not basically future which is actually coming towards you. It is something which you are manifesting towards you. See, all the work which you have done in your past, which you are doing in your present, that is what the result in your future gives you. We are, as tarot readers, we do not tell you what is actually going to happen in your life. It is because you made it happen in your life, right? So that is why we are able to tell you that whatever you did was actually correct, and you felt that thing correct. So that is why it's actually happening in your life. So if your life is becoming beautiful, that is because you made it beautiful. You have that capacity in you, right? So let's see why the King of Swords is here in your future energies. What is this King of Swords? 4 of Swords. See, so you are ready. See, over here you are ready to take an action, but you are thinking. See how much stability, how much maturity is there in your future energies. I'm seeing that whichever decision you are going to take, you are really thinking, you are analyzing, you are researching on the situation. See how this person is playing chess over here, and chess cannot be played by just anyone. People really need to get into that thing, you know, those mind games. So you are actually looking towards, you know, around yourself, like who's playing the mind game. You are thinking about the situations, you are thinking about everything, every possible action which can be taken, and what result will you get. So you are going through everything, I'm seeing. So that is why you are not just taking any action just like that, but you are more intellectual now. You are more concerned, like what is happening around me. You are not just immature person. No, you are really very mature. I want to see this 3 of Rods in your future energy. Why is this? See, 3 of Cups. Wow, such a beautiful energy. What else do we have? 8 of Wands. See, the actions are really coming towards you. You might be even meeting your friends in your future and having a good time with them, because you have done a really good job in your past. So you have got a promotion. Now it's time to celebrate. That is why you might be traveling somewhere for a celebration with someone, a reunion. This is really beautiful. I'm really seeing that some kind of reconciliation is also happening over here, because a love offer is coming towards you, because it's not from your side, it is coming towards you, I'm seeing. But you are going to take an action, but you are going to think about it first, like what is actually right and what is wrong. Okay, so that's all, Sagittarius. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye.